Good afternoon. You are listening to 100.9 The Cross. I'm Mark Hunter, the guy with you weekdays 3 until 6. And as you know, we've been talking to faculty and staff at Robinson Community College, learning quite a bit about the college, and today is no different. I have got with me on the telephone Patricia Locklear, who's the Director of Admissions at Robinson Community College. Let's say good afternoon to Patricia. How are you this afternoon, Patricia?
I'm doing well. I hope you are, Mark.
I'm doing good, thank you, and thank you for taking time to be with us this afternoon.
Thank you for the opportunity to join you. We certainly do appreciate it.
Well, as we begin, I know there's a college transfer fair coming up at Robinson Community College. It's on the 15th of November. Could you tell us all about that, please?
I sure will. That is exactly right. We have our college transfer fair happening between the hours of 8:30 and 10:30 on November 15th. And we are expecting approximately 15 to 20 colleges and universities, some of which will be UNC Pembroke, UNC Wilmington, UNC Charlotte, as well as Carolina and NC State, just to name a few. We also have some of the private schools that will be attending us and joining us that day as well. This event will take place in our Student Center, which is located in the Fred G. Williams Student Center, Building 13. And this particular event allows college students or incoming students who are interested in starting at a four-year degree or working on a four-year degree. It provides them the opportunity to have that chance to talk to those representatives from that four-year school and get any additional questions answered they may have. We have many partnerships already with a lot of these schools that I named out. So their two-year college transfer degree can easily guarantee them admittance into that particular four-year school that they're interested in attending. So this is a great opportunity that allows students to, like I said, get those questions answered, but also get to meet those representatives that work at those four-year schools as well.
Well, I'm talking with Patricia Locklear, Director of Admissions at Robinson Community College this afternoon, and I know that registration is currently open for winter, spring, and summer semesters. Could you give us more information about that, please?
Yes, so registration just opened November 1st for our winter session, which begins November 30th and will run until December 29th. That is those 4-week intense classes, but we've got a lot of students who are interested in those classes. Our spring classes also begin January 8th, so registration is open there as well, in addition to our summer classes, which begin in mid-May. So registration is open. We feature 16, 14, 12, 8-week, and of course the 4-week classes during the winter session. So we have classes that any student can find an interest in, whether it be college transfer, whether it be a career and technical program, whether it be cosmetology, nursing, cybersecurity. We have something here at RCC for everyone. And those classes that I just mentioned are on our curriculum side. We also have many short-term training programs here at RCC, such as our pharmacy tech, our notary public, our real estate, and our barbering classes. So we also offer adult high school. RCC is truly a gem here in the community because we offer something for everyone.
Now, later this month, I know Robinson Community College is going to be featured on WWAY television. Could you give us information about that, please?
So, yes, WWAY starting November 13th. Many of our short-term programs and our curriculum programs will be featured on this Carolina Beat segment, and the shows can be seen between 5:30 and 12 p.m. on this particular news channel. And these segments, and there will be 17 of them, but they will showcase what our students learn and what they're actually doing in the classroom on a day-to-day basis. For instance, our culinary arts and baking and pastry programs will be showcasing what our students are doing in their particular classes, and they'll actually be showing particular food choices and how to prepare those particular foods. That will be an event that will be great to watch, as well as some of our massage therapy students, our manicurists and nail technicians. You'll get a look inside those classes in addition to the nursing. So it's one thing for us to tell you what it's like to be in that classroom. It's something completely different when you can actually see what a student is doing and what an actual day in the classroom looks like. And so these segments that WWAY is allowing us to do will actually give us that opportunity to put in front of the community what we're doing day in and day out in the classroom.
You're listening to 100.9 The Cross. It's the afternoon gospel sing. I've got Patricia Locklear on the phone. Patricia is the director of admissions at Robinson Community College. And Patricia, with Christmas just around the corner, I know coming up December 5th, Robinson Community College has a Christmas event planned. Could you tell us about that event, please?
Sure. December 5th, that is our Community Christmas Holiday Fair, and that holiday fair will begin at 10 a.m. and last until 2 p.m. also here in the Student Center. So if anyone is interested in being a vendor, please contact me so that we can get you on that list. We will also have a tree lighting ceremony at 5 p.m. here on campus as well. There will also be free holiday-themed workshops such as making bows or holiday wreaths. But a big kick to that particular day is Rock 103 will also be on campus because they are giving away a $1,600 Rock Your World scholarship. That is massive for a student who is having to pay out of pocket or who is struggling just to find means to pay for tuition. That is a wonderful opportunity that one of our students is going to be afforded. And last but not least, and of course this is just a rumor, but you know, with Christmas being right around the corner, kids, we heard that Santa just may be on campus, may have a few hours to stop by and check in. So as we know more, we'll definitely keep you posted, but be on the lookout and make sure you're being good.
Well, I'm talking with Patricia Locklear of Robinson Community College. And Patricia, if a listener is interested in more information on something you've mentioned today, or maybe they want to register for upcoming classes, how do they get started? What do they need to do?
So a couple of ways. They can always visit our website at www.robinson.edu, and you can start on your college admissions application by just a click of the button in the top left corner that says Apply Now. You can always contact our admissions office here at 910-272-3342 or admissions@robinson.edu. We always have someone available to answer the call. We have someone available to answer email. And even if you're not, you really don't want to take the time to email or call, come by and see us here in Building 13 as you walk through the doors. Our office is the first office on the left. We will get you started here with completing your admissions application and help you get started in completing your financial aid and then ending with getting you registered for classes. So we will walk you through the complete process to get you where you want to be.
Very good. Well, I'm talking with Patricia Locklear at Robinson Community College. And Patricia, as we wrap things up this afternoon, is there anything else you'd like to say?
Just to our community constituents, as I mentioned earlier, RCC has something for everyone, and you can actually start here. Your story can start here today. It can start for the winter session or the spring, but this is your starting point, and we want to be able to help you get to your next step and help you achieve those goals.
Very good. Well, Patricia, thank you for taking time to be with us here this afternoon on the Afternoon Gospel Sing.
Thank you so much for the invitation. I certainly do appreciate it.
That's Patricia Locklear, Director of Admissions at Robinson Community College on 100.9 The Cross.